I have here the BLAVOR solar power bank. This one has a power delivery of 18 watt and the maximum capacity of this one is 20,000 milliamp hour. 20,000 milliamp hour is a lot. This device is going to power your smartphone for multiple days, and you can charge your smartphones also by wireless. The best thing with this power bank is that it can charge any device with USB-C. It can also charge a MacBook, but it will not charge any device that support only 45 watt charging and above. This power bank is ideal for anybody going outdoor. You can also recharge your power bank on the go, having the sunlight charge your power bank. Recently, I was traveling a lot and I used this power bank to recharge my devices during the day, and also whenever I'm not using the power bank, I will let it sit under the sun and recharge itself. The BLAVOR power bank also has a built-in flashlight that you can use whenever you need it. You just need to long press on the power button to turn it on and turn it off. This power bank has multiple power output, which means that you can charge multiple devices at the same time. Currently, I'm using the USB-C port on the power bank and using a cable USB-C to USB-C in order to charge my iPhone. Inside the power bank, you have two USB-A port also that can charge various devices. Here, I'm charging my batteries for my Sony camera. Both USB-A ports are available for charging, and this power bank also has an IPX5 rating for water resistance. At night, right before I start to sleep, I have the power bank near me and I use it to charge my iPhone during the night. You can do the same for your Android device. Charge it overnight using the BLAVOR power bank. This is USB 2, the blue one is USB 3, and this one is the USB-C. At the bottom of the USB-C, you have the micro USB. Those are for charging. You can charge the BLAVOR power bank using the USB-C or micro USB. This is how I have it near my bed before sleeping.